Let's see the basic functions of the Gamification Designer. For the Gamification Designer, we are going to need a different user from the one we use in the More app. You can create your user at the first login. From the home screen, we'll go to the scenarios screen. In this screen, we see all the scenarios created by us, and we can create new ones. The scenario name that we'll type in here can be later changed from the scenario editor from the field called name. If a block has a blue gear in the left corner, it means that it can be customized. We are going to remove the attributes that we don't need, and we are going to add the one that we need. And now we add content blocks to add elements on our scenario and customize these elements. I will create a small quiz and I will gamify it later. The challenge block represents the quiz, and the tasks blocks represents the questions of the quiz. For each task I can customize the icon, and for each question I can add as many answers as I want. For each task or question I can have different type of inputs, but in this case I chose a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. And I will write the questions and the answers, and with the checkbox I will mark the correct answer. Now, using the blue gear, I will add automatically start attribute to make the challenge automatically start for all the users. And now, to send our new created scenario to the app, we need our app user, the one you created when you registered in the app. Once you enter the app credentials into the Gamification Designer, the app and the Gamification Designer are connected. Inside the app, you change the role into Community Administrator, and you see there are not yet any gamification installed or available to be installed. And that's because we need one final step to send the gamification scenario to the app. You have to press the button Submit to Review and Release. After we press Release, the only thing we have to do is to refresh in the app the scenario template screen, and we are going to see our new created scenario ready to install. After successful installation of the scenario, our quiz should be available for all the members in our community. Now we go back to the home screen, we switch back from the admin to normal member, and we check our gamification scenario. And this is how you create a scenario with the Gamification Designer and deploy it in your own community. If you are a community admin, of course. Thank you for watching.